everybody. We are ready to go on our next cruise. We got our matching cruise shirts on. We're just waiting for Uber to show up. We are going back on the Carnival Paradise out of the Port of Tampa. We were on the Carnival Paradise about a year ago prior to the remodel. So we're really excited about that. We know that they've added in Guy's Burger Joint and they've updated the Lido Deck pool bars, which are now the Red Frog Rum Bar and the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. And from our previous Carnival cruises, we know that all three of those locations are amazing food, amazing drinks. They've also added on some new balconies, balcony rooms. So we actually got a balcony room, one of the new ones that have been added onto the ship. So that's really exciting. They also added in waterworks, so awesome new slides for, ranging for kids of all ages. And we are just excited to get going. We're going back to Cozumel, and we're going to Mahogany Bay, which I've never been to before. Chris has, because he's got way more cruises in the books than I do. But we're just excited. We're ready to get going. So let's get down to the Port of Tampa now. Oh. Cruise hat on. Let's get going.
We're here.
Just got dropped off. Just dropped off our luggage with the port people. It's easy. Just drop it off with them. Tip them a couple of bucks to take your bags up to your cruise ship and everything. We're ready to go. Welcome to my stateroom. Come in. Come on. Okay, first we'll show the bathroom, which is right by the entrance. It's itty bitty, standard for every cruise. It's not an enjoyable experience, but well, you're not even in this room anyways. What does it matter? Let's continue on. It's not that exciting in there. Come with me. Your room will come with a lockbox, which you will set a preset code of your choice, and boom, you can put all your valuables in there, your passport, whatever you'd like. We have 2 closet spaces. Come here. They're decent size. This one over here is full length, so you can hang your dresses and suits and stuff like that. All the space in the world. And then the stuff we really like, which is where you will be sleeping. We have a king size bed, because there's just 2 of us. This room is actually good for 3 people, so if you had another person, you'd pull this down. I don't know how much fun that would be, especially if you got alarmed in the middle of the night, just bunk your head, but we don't do that. You got a little desk area, that's where I'll put makeup on and stuff like that and get ready for the nights. Phone, if you had other people on the cruise ship, you could dial their room number and things like that. And a nice TV. On the TV, there's always a channel where you can see where you're at in the port, what's going on the cruise ship. But I always recommend get the Carnival Hub app, because that has everything. It has the floor plan, it has the itinerary, it has when you're supposed to get on and off the ship and everything like that. It has everything. It's the best thing. And there's a free limited Wi-Fi that will allow you to use that app while you're out on sea. And the piece de resistance, the balcony, which is why we upgraded. We got 2 little chairs and a little table, and this is one of the new balconies. So this room used to not be a balcony room, and when they did the refurb last year, this was converted into a balcony. So this balcony is brand new. Very excited. We're so excited to get going. Let's go up to the Lido and get some drinks, have a good time. Always get the Fun Trip Special. Rule number 1, get the Fun Trip Special, first drink on the cruise. Let's continue this day.
cruises. Eventually I'll get to gold level, which is what Chris is. It shows our ship, Carnival Paradise, last name. It shows that you're dining. We're dining in the Elation on the Atlantic deck, and we actually have anytime dining because we wanted to we didn't want to do early, we didn't want to do late, we wanted to kind of go in the middle. Has your VIPF number, a folio number, and your muster station. All of your information is this. When you're on a cruise, you will only be using this on the cruise ship. If you have a Cheers package like we do, you'll pay for your drinks this way. If you buy any excursions or any spa treatment, you'll pay on this. Everything is paid on this on the cruise ship. And if you go to the Carnival private island, when you get off the ship at the locations we're going to, you use cash. This is nothing, but you need this and ID to get back on the cruise ship. So this is your lifesaver card. This is your life on this cruise. That's the fun. So we bought Festival of Fun, which is basically giving you the benefit of that platinum and diamond members have, but we just paid for it. Yeah, so we just paid for it. So we get on the ship earlier, we get off the ship earlier. If there was tendering to any of these islands, we would be able to tender prior to other people. We'd get priority tendering and stuff like that. So it's a benefit to do things quicker and get to places prior to the crowd. You don't have to wait in the crowd. So it's super awesome. You do Festival of Fun by the room. So you only have to, we bought one Festival of Fun, it's for our room. And it's really nice. What do we spend? 60 bucks? 70 bucks? $70 Festival of Fun for a 5-day. They vary, the price varies by how long your cruise is. So if you're doing a shorter cruise, it's gonna be less money. So it's a great investment. We love it.